how to buy Anime token on KuCoin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them on the description. So as you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. So you'll be able to buy this token on KuCoin. Click on markets here. As you can see, you will be able to see this pair next to KuCoin. If you don't have an account on KuCoin, go down the description. You will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT to be able to buy this token on it. Now after that, click on this pair link and log into your account. So after you create an account on KuCoin and fund it with some USDT, now this is the time to buy this token. So how to do it? Now click on buy option here. As you can see, we'll be able to see these two options, sorry, the limit and the market. If you select the limit, now set the amount that you want to buy of the token, and here we'll be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT in order to buy this token. So after that, click on buy now, on buy Anime, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you select the market, drag this or set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, or you can set how much you want to buy of that USDT in order to use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy Anime and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Anime token on KuCoin. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.